There are some persons who have magical charisma to attract people, to connect with the people in no time. And juxtaposing these characters, there are some people who has introvert character and they cannot mix up with the people and they are not at all appreciable in terms of the connectivity with the people. So why is this different? There are definitely certain things which makes the people extrovert, which makes the people very much attractive to be connected, and they are the affable people. That means anybody can approach them and ask the questions, ask some curiosity, with some curiosity to know something. So this is the special characteristics. So my dear friend, you see that the friendship happens because of the like-minded people. That means if I admire certain things to my friend, this friendship will be sustainable. And the reverse thing also occur. This is the reciprocation. So now the question is that what I like to the others. It depends on my reciprocity. That means how I want to be looked by the people. I also admire the same things. So being a sincere and honest person, I would like to appreciate the honesty and the sincerity in the others. At the same times, the person should be decision makers. He should not have any fluctuating while taking the decision. And he must not be showing any ambiguity in his statement. What is state that can be said in a right way without beating around the bush. That means the person should play in the straight bat. No hidden kind of things and no politics inside, and has the courage to call spade a spade. I admire that. Apart from that, he or she should have the feelings for the people. Emotional intelligence also he or she should have to control their emotions. It doesn't mean they should be harsh or rude to anybody, rigid to any decisions. We must not be rigid on the basis of certain on the basis of the certain conditions, because we need to understand the people before we feel judgmental about the people. So that intelligence he or she must have. Apart from that, I want a persons who take the things lightly. In case of any harsh word or any misunderstanding happens, even then he should shed off all kind of the things, because it may happen sometimes with our usual talk also. Depending on the state of our mind, we may feel irritated sometimes, but you need to have the proper control about that situation. And here you need the emotional intelligence, emotional control. You need to understand yourselves, you need to understand the others. And those people who has the emotional control and the emotional intelligence, they are the persons which can be admired by everybody, who should be fair enough, not the biased people. And regarding integrity, that means if anybody is not looking, in such case he will be in the same character. If somebody is looking an eye on him or her, then also he or she will be in the same conditions, same answers. So this is called the integrity. Apart from that, resilience is also important characteristics of these persons. Being a struggler in my life, I had to struggle lot of stage, but I never lose my heart, because I had my inner confidence that someday I will crack the competitive examinations and I will succeed. And by the God's blessings and my effort, sincere effort, I did it. And that's why I like to endorse any person who is a struggler. Yes, the fighter. Fighter doesn't mean that fighting with the fist or fighting with the weapons, fighting from the inside with inner courage. So I would like to admire that quality in the other people, and who should be honest, sincere, never say any lie without any reason. So all these goody goody characters I told you, but what else? Because I believe that no people are perfect, and I like to accept the people uh, on the basis of some blemish and the good quality, bad quality and good quality mixtures, because I believe no one is perfect. So am I. I am not a perfect person. Somebody likes me, and some people do not like me. It doesn't matter. But wherever our liking, my liking is coincide with another person's liking, he can be my friend, and we should be connected with each other. And even it is not coinciding with my likings, in such cases also professional relationships should be there. So there is no point of disliking the things, because I believe in the fact that even the faulty clock is right twice in a day. That's why we should accept it as it is, not thinking that it is half filled or not thinking that it is a half empty. As it is, what the life comes, I should accept the pill. And that's why if we dig down the quality of even the worst people in terms of the criminal, we'll find definitely the some good characters inside that criminal mind. So without any judgment, I can say that apparently if the people is not harming anybody, he has some positive quality and enthusiasm, courage, I would like to admire that person particularly. So this is all about my liking, about the people and the qualities or the attributes what I like to admire in the others, because I also like to be treated in the similar way. Thank you.